My plan is to build a giant wall, angled to hopefully block a cannon fire.
And after working all throughout the night, into the next morning, and all the way through a complete 24 hours, Sean was going to have to call it. Because the time is up! Let's go shoot some cannons. Will his defense protect his new yacht from 100 cannonballs, or will we start this video over with a new contestant? Phase 1 of 4 has begun.
I'm nervous.
All right, Sean, we're about to fire the cannons at your new yacht.
Terrifying.
Aim the cannon! Fire!
Oh, that's just going right through.
Dude, it is ripping through those storage containers.
The cannons were melting through his defense like butter.